Balboa's on my bed. He decided that's where he wanted to be. Are you going to play? Are you a good boy? I think you're a good boy and you're very cute. Yes, you are. You're very cute. It's very cute. Yes. Prince Fluffy's working down there. That's silly. Hey. You want to play? You want to play? Do you want to play? Oh, yes. You're just a nice boy. Just a very nice doggy. Yes, you are. You're just a good baby. Do you want to play? Oh, I rub your belly. Did I rub your belly? Just rub your belly. Yeah? Just rub your belly. Oh, you just, no, I need more. I need more. Hi. Yeah. I got a kiss. Did I get a kiss? You are adorable. Yes, you are. You are just adorable. Oh, you're going to get a good home, huh? You're going to get a good home. Somebody who loves you. Yes. Timmy.